Alright, good day, student. You are given in this equation to find the value of x. So the first thing you should do is you are given 4 raised to power x plus 6 raised to power x is equals to 2 times 9 raised to power x. So the first thing is to see if you can get any relationship between the left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of the equation. So we can simplify. This implies that this is equals to 2 raised to power 2x plus, we can split it into 2 raised to power x times 3 raised to power x is equals to 2. This is a multiplication sign. 3 raised to power 2x. So this is the first thing. The next is to divide both sides of the equation by 2 raised to power 2x. Divide both sides of the equation by 2 raised to power 2x. So if you divide both sides of the equation by 2 raised to power 2x, you have 2 raised to power 2x divided by 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 raised to power x plus times 3 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power 2x. This will give us 2 times 3 raised to power 2x divided by 2 raised to power 2x. So when you see power is the same as exponent. So the next is this can cancel out. You have done indices, but you know when they are equal, the bases are equal with equal power, they cancel out to give us 1. So this is equals to 1 plus, this is the same as 2 raised to power s minus 2x. If the 2 come up, multiply by 3 raised to power x is the same as, this is the same as, this going to this side will give us 2 in bracket. You can put bracket immediately because they have the same power, 3 over 2 raised to power 2x. So from here we can simplify further. Observe from this is the same as 2 raised to power minus x. This is the same as 2 raised to power minus x, and 2 raised to power minus s is equals to 1 over 2 raised to power x. So you can replace it here. Replace 2 raised to power minus 2x with 1 over 2x. So if you replace it, I hope you are following, you will have 1 over 2 raised to power 2s. So here we can join them. This is the same, this I'm talking of here is the same as 3 over 2 raised to power x. So you can replace this with 3 over 2 raised to power x. Therefore we have 3 over 2 raised to power x, bring it very close, 1 plus 3. Why I simplify this for, because we don't have enough space. So from here we see that we already have an equation. So let's y equals to 3 over 2 raised to power x. So if we assign y equals to 3 over 2 raised to power x, we have from the equation we have 1 plus y is equals to 2y squared. I've gotten up to this. Let me bring it up so that we can see it. If you got up to this, we have 1 plus y is equals to 2y squared. So this coming to let all the left hand side go to the other side. 2y squared minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. We can factorize this quadrant. So factorizing it, you multiply this 2y squared multiplied by minus 1, you have minus 2y squared. Find two terms. If you add them together, you have minus y. If you multiply them, you have minus 2y squared. So the two terms is minus 2y plus y. I hope you are following. You have done, you know how to do in the factorization. Or follow us in the next lesson. So minus 2y plus y will give us what? Minus y, which is the center value. Multiplying these two, we will have minus 2y times y. You have minus 2y squared. So we replace minus y with minus 2y plus y. So you can replace it. So replacing it, we have 2y squared minus 2y plus y minus 1 is equals to 0. We replace this with this. We replace minus y with minus 2y plus y. So let's continue. So from here, factor out common, bring out common factor that minus 2y squared minus 2y half. So in this case, we have 2y in bracket y minus 1 plus 1 in bracket y minus 1 is equals to 0. So simplify further, you have 2y plus 1 y minus 1 is equals to 0. So from here, do you have any? You can now apply zero product rule. You have 2y plus 1 is equals to 0, or y minus 1 is equals to 0. So from here, we have 2y is equals to minus y. So divide by 2. If you divide by 2, you have y is equals to minus half, or from here minus 1 crosses equal sign, you have y is equals to what? 1. Values of you have. You can now go into solving it. So if you look at it, we say that let y equals to this, let y equals to what? 3 over 2 raised to power x. So if you bring it here, you have 3 over 2 raised to power x is equals to minus 1 over 2. If you look at it, you see they are not equal, so we cannot factorize, we cannot find the value of x using this form. The next is the second one, 3 over 2 raised to power x is equals to 1. This is possible because 1 is the same as 3, same as 3 over 2 raised to power 0 is equals to 3 over 2 to raised to power 0. So from here, the base can cancel out to give us x is equals to what? 0. When the base cancel out, we have what? S is equals to 0. So I believe this is the value of x. So solving the equation for s, we arrive at x is equals to 0. because the second one cannot be simplified. So for that reason, this we can find this. For that reason, s is equals to 0. If you put, you can test it, you can check it to see if s is equals to 0. How do we verify if s is equals to 0? Substitute the value of s 0 here. You have 4 raised to the power 0 plus 6 raised to the power 0. 4 raised to the power 0 plus 6 raised to the power 0 is the same as 1 plus 1. That gives us 2. You put here again, 2 times 9 raised to the power 0 is equals to 2 times 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is the same number, is equals to 1. So 2 times 1 is equals to 2. So s is equals to what? 0. You have any question? If you don't have any question, maybe we call it a day. Or can we try another second example to see if you actually understand the concept very well? Alright, let's do another example. So if you look at the second example, if you have 2 raised to power x plus 3 multiplied to 4 raised to power s plus 2y divided by 8 raised to power s minus 2 multiplied to 16 raised to power y plus 2. You are required to simplify. So how do you simplify this expression? To simplify the expression, you have to apply the knowledge of indices, collect like terms together, and then simplify like terms to see if it will be possible for further simplification. So from here, we have, this is the same as, this is the same, you can, the same as 2 raised to power s plus 3 multiply 4 is the same as 2 raised to power 2 in bracket s plus 2y. So you simplify it, divided by, this is 2, put it in power form, 2 raised to power 3 in bracket s minus 2 multiply to 2 raised to power 4 in bracket y plus 2. So this is the simplification. The next step is to open bracket. You have 2 raised to power s plus 3 multiply to 2 raised to power 2x plus 4y divided by, I hope you are seeing it, divided by 2 raised to power 3x minus 6, 2 raised to power 4y plus 8. So from here, you can collect like terms. How do you collect like terms together? Then from here, we can simplify further. They have equal base, so sum the power. So this is the same as 2 raised to power x plus 3 plus 2x plus 4y divided by 2 raised to power 3x minus 6 plus 4y plus 8. So you might try to split into x and the y, powers of x and the y, but this is the best way to do that. So from here you have 2 raised to power s plus 2x will give us 3x. Here we have plus 4y plus 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 3x plus 4y minus 6 plus 8 will give us what? Plus 2. So from here you see that they have equal power, so you can bring this one up and open bracket. You have 2 raised to the power 3x plus 4y plus 3 minus in bracket 3x plus 4y plus 2. So this minus is because when this power come up, there is minus, so that when I open the bracket, the minus will affect every terms in the bracket. So this is what we have. 3s can cancel minus 3s, 4y can cancel minus 4y. So what is left? You have 2. You have 2 to the power of 3 minus what? So when it comes up, 3 plus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 will give us what? 2 raised to the power 1. This will give us 2. So this is what you are required to do. So once you simplify this expression, you obtain the result to be equal to 2. Before you go, click the subscription button, please, for more encouragement. It's free. Endeavor to go to our website and subscribe for monthly edition to help you learn mathematics at ease. We also have advanced mathematics. You can register for classes. You can subscribe for monthly edition. We help you answer your questions involving pure mathematics and advanced mathematics. So endeavor to go to our website. As you can see, manzananews.com. Put .com here. So go there and subscribe for monthly edition. Have any further questions? Ask me for clarification. Click the subscription button. See you in the next video. Bye for now.